Hi guys, I'm going to be showing you how to do makeup, and I'm going to be putting this on first. So let me open it. It's hard. Certainly I was opening it the wrong way. I was supposed to open it from the back. From where it was there. So let's put it on. And I have my brushes right here on the bottom. And I'm going to be just slowly putting shimmer all on my whole entire face. Because this will help me put the makeup on. Okay, so I'm going to rub it in. And I'm going to put some on my ears too. Because I am going to put some stuff on my ears too. Okay? And now I'm going to be moving on to the lipstick. Did I put it on my lips? Done. Ow. It hurts. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Found it. I'm gonna put the foundation. Okay. So you want to be gentle around the lips. You don't want to get like crazy, like all over your face, because then it'll look like your pinky eye. Okay, this is pink. Okay, so there's my pink lipstick. Now I'm going to move on to the eyeshadow. It's green eyeshadow, don't judge me. Eyeshadow, and it's green. I'm going to be using this light green, this top one, and the middle one. So they mix together because the dark green, my brother tried it and it's germs, so I'm not using it. You want to put it on lightly, just like the lipstick. Then you'll make a palette, like a good color, out of both of them. Again, to announce over here. And if there's excess around you, you could just take a towel or take a brush that's empty and just take the excess off. And then you can move on to the next one. Take a little light. There. Now it's a combination about there. And then gentle. and less is more. So you don't want any like mixed up colors. But you don't have to be the same as me. Because after I'm going to be putting like different lipstick on me. Because it doesn't really show. Next I'm going to be putting on the blush. This is the blush. Pink. Pink. It's from Tarte. No, it's from Target. Yeah, it's from Target. It's from Target, and let's use this. Actually, I'm going to use a smaller brush because then it gets, big one. You want to, like, if you can't do this, let your mom do. Let your mom do this. And then put your tongue in the middle. And then she'll let go. If you want to. There. Okay. So let's, and then, now we're going to be doing the lipstick. Let me see if I can find it. I'm going to find it. I'm going to just put more of the pink lipstick on today, right now, just for now. So here's my whole look, and make sure that you put that all over your face, and then you can put these on, and this, and then blush. So here's the whole look, and my name is Raylan, just so you know, and me and my brother did me and my brother are gonna do like this a video, so I'm gonna leave that right in the link in the description, and make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.